planning an outdoor event? At Fiesta Solutions Event Rentals, we specialize in logistics and bringing your vision to life. With over 18 years of experience in wedding tents and full-service event rentals, we have the expertise to make your celebration seamless and unforgettable. In this video, we're showcasing a stunning 40x80 frame tent featuring a beautiful corrugated liner that elegantly conceals the structure's framework. This setup comfortably accommodated 120 guests, a 20x20 wooden dance floor, and an 8x12 stage for the DJ. To enhance the ambiance, we decorated the tent with 3 chandeliers and cafe lighting along the perimeter, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. For seating, we used crossback chairs and 8-foot-long tables, providing both style and functionality. When planning an outdoor event, don't forget the essentials. Renting a power generator and portable restrooms ensures comfort and convenience for your guests. The gorgeous greenery and floral arrangements featured in this setup were designed by our talented friends at Aquarella Events, based in Tampa Bay. At Fiesta Solutions Event Rentals, we turn outdoor event dreams into reality. Let us help you create an unforgettable experience. For more info, please visit our website, fiestasolutions.net.